Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Podcast, Dev Technosys. I'm your host Yash, and today we're focusing on something that matters to all of us, our health. More specifically, we're talking about how you can record and track your blood pressure using a healthcare app. With technology evolving so fast, managing your health data is no longer limited to clinic visits or pen and paper diaries. So how do you use a mobile app to take control of your BP tracking? To break this down, I've invited Tanvi, who's a senior product analyst at Dev Technosys and specializes in healthcare app solutions. Welcome, Tanvi.
Hi, Yash. Glad to be here. And yes, this topic is super important, especially today when managing chronic conditions like hypertension is becoming more digital and user-friendly.
Absolutely. So let's dive right in. Let's say someone just downloaded a healthcare app. What's the first step they need to take to start tracking blood pressure?
The first thing is profile setup. Most healthcare apps ask for basic health information like age, gender, weight, and existing health conditions. This helps the app personalize alerts and recommendations. Once that's done, users can navigate to the vitals or blood pressure section of the app.
And how do they record BP data? Is it manual or automatic?
It can be both. If you have a digital BP monitor with Bluetooth, many apps allow integration. The data syncs automatically. But even if you're using a regular home BP monitor, you can manually enter readings: systolic, diastolic, and pulse rate. Most apps let you add the time and any notes, like whether you were resting, stressed, or after exercise.
That sounds pretty easy. But how do these apps help people actually track the readings over time?
Good question. Most well-designed healthcare apps offer visual graphs, daily, weekly, and monthly trends. They highlight highs, lows, and averages. Some apps even flag readings as normal, elevated, or high, based on WHO or AHA guidelines. This helps users see patterns like morning spikes or post-meal increases without needing to interpret numbers on their own.
So it really makes the data actionable. But how does it help when someone needs to consult their doctor?
That's one of the best features. With regular use, the app builds a BP history log. Users can export PDF reports or generate summaries that can be emailed or shown during appointments. This is way better than trying to recall numbers or carrying handwritten logs.
And what about reminders? People tend to forget checking their BP regularly, right?
Exactly. That's why most healthcare apps come with reminder features. You can set daily or weekly alerts, morning, evening, after medication, whatever fits your routine. Some advanced apps also use AI to suggest ideal times based on your habits.
Let's talk about smart integrations. Can these apps connect to smartwatches or other devices?
Definitely. Many modern apps integrate with Apple Health, Google Fit, or wearables. So if your smartwatch tracks pulse rate or activity, it gets added to your health timeline. The more data it captures, the more accurate the app can be in identifying risk trends, like sudden spikes during stress or inactivity.
That's pretty amazing. But how secure is all this personal health data?
Great point. Data privacy is crucial. At Dev Technosys, when we build healthcare apps, we ensure HIPAA or GDPR compliance depending on the region. That means encrypted storage, secured login, and full control to the user about sharing their data. Users should always choose apps that are transparent about how they handle medical information.
Is there any extra value in apps developed specifically for clinics or hospitals?
Yes. Some apps are built to sync directly with a hospital's health record system, so when you update your BP at home, your doctor can see it in real time. This is especially helpful for people under observation or managing medication adjustments.
And if someone's looking to build their own custom healthcare app with these features, can Dev Technosys help?
Absolutely. Whether it's a standalone blood pressure tracker or a full-fledged chronic care app with teleconsultation, remote monitoring, and analytics, we build custom healthcare solutions tailored to specific needs. From UI to back-end integration and compliance, we take care of it all.
That's fantastic. So to wrap up, if you're someone managing hypertension or just want to stay on top of your health, Tracking your blood pressure using a smart app is one of the easiest and most effective habits you can adopt. And if you're a healthcare provider or startup looking to build an app, head over to devtechnosis.com to get started.
Thanks a lot, Tanvi. This was incredibly useful.
Thanks, Yash. Always a pleasure. Let's all take steps towards smarter health management.